What's up, folks? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zhang. Today, I'm going to share another trade idea with you so we can take a look tomorrow and hopefully can make you some money. But before we get started on today's new trade idea, we're going to talk about our trade idea for yesterday, DWAC. If you remember, I told you the option's going to start trading today. And we were looking at the price action where the DWAC price fell down to around $77 on Friday close. You can see here at the bottom, it's October 22nd. That was the date, and it closed around $76. The expectation for me was that if the price remained on that area on market opens, I can sell the $40 put, because that's where the next support is. If we fell through the moving average support, we're looking at the price support around $45, $46 area. But before the market even opened, when I was sleeping, and this morning, the price went from it opened around $88 all the way to like $120 at market open at around 8:30. Then it fell down immediately to this area, and I took a look at the option chain, and here's the Robinhood option chain, and guess what? The lowest they got is $50 put, which is super surprising to me. It didn't really make sense. If you already have 55, 50, why can't you have 45, 40? So unfortunately, I couldn't, or I decided not to sell put at this time, because as we can see, the price of a DWAC actually broke below the 1 hour, below the moving average line, and then on the 1 hour chart, and it could be potentially move a little bit lower. It might hit the $75 area, or it might break down even more all the way to like $40 area. But I am still looking for a spike in volatility and a sharp drop in price to sell some put option in the DWAC stock, because I still believe the original thesis where we don't have a lot of sellers in the area in this time frame, and it's hard to short the stock from that perspective. Here's the trade idea for today. It's this stock called BKKT. That's the ticker for it. It's BKKT. If I remember correctly, it's a stock that allows you to trade. It's a company that allows you to trade crypto derivatives, things like options or futures on Bitcoins and Litecoin and things like that. So this company, I don't know, I think it started trading today, or it went IPO recently, and it went from today's market open from about $10 to all the way till $30 to $40, $38. So it went 4x on its initial trading day. And obviously I did not know about it until much later, which is until market close, or towards the market close, and the prices already went sky high. So I decided not to chase. But here's a trade idea for you. I'm watching for a pullback and a rebound. So going through the same process that we did for DWAC, we're looking at a Fibonacci retracement. We're going to draw it from the bottom here all the way to the tip. So if we wanted to go aggressive, we could be buying around this level, around $27. We could be buying and selling it around 31.8. So buying around 27 and selling around 31, that's a $4 per share profit that we're looking at. Or if we can be a little more conservative, we can buy at the 50% retracement level around this area, $23-ish, or it can be even more conservative and buy around $20. That's to me, that seems a little bit too conservative, because we might really just miss the pullback here. I don't know if we're gonna see a huge pullback to that level from this area to here. This is looking at a 48% pullback, and who knows though, right? It's an initial trading day. And we're looking, so what my trade for you is that, or my trade idea for you is that we're looking for a pullback. If it doesn't go up again, and it doesn't open up tomorrow and go all the way up again, and if we see a pullback, I'm looking to buy in this area around $25 to $23-ish, because you can see this is actually pretty good price support level and a Fibonacci support level. So this is the area that I'm gonna buy, and I'm looking to sell some once it bounces to 27, sell some once it bounces to 28, and sell the rest around 31-ish. Not sure if I want to hold this stock for a longer time frame. I don't know if it's gonna make the all-time high again. I don't know if it's gonna surpass it. If it does surpass the all-time high, then that's a different story. So this is the trade idea for you. Just to recap, watching for a pullback tomorrow. If it does pull back, I'm gonna buy some around 25, around 23, and selling around 27, selling around 29, and selling around 30. Hopefully this will be a pretty nice rebound play. Looking to take some profit if it does work out. So yeah, that's the trade idea for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help out the channel. If you like this type of content where I pitch a trade idea for you, please let me know in the comment, and I can try to create more and show you some opportunities for trades. Thank you.